Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the form not submitting error in GoDaddy Website Builder 2026. If your forms are not working on your GoDaddy site, this fix usually works. Just follow these few simple steps. Now, before we start, the first thing you want to do is to log into GoDaddy account. And to do that, you're going to go to godaddy.com and make sure you click on sign in. Once you sign in, you're going to make sure to sign in with your Google account or your Facebook account, then finish the procedure and enter the information about your business or your intentions with the website builder. After that, you're going to check the required fields. Now you're going to open your form and make sure all required fields are filled correctly. Once you do that, you're gonna review the email settings. You're gonna go to form settings. Once you're gonna click on the form, you're gonna create the form. You're gonna be able to access its settings and you're gonna confirm the notification email is valid. Now, once you do that, you're gonna test the form. You're gonna preview your site and submit the form yourself. And make sure to remove extra scripts. Third-party scripts can break forms and temporarily disable them. So make sure to remove all the extra scripts you find. And after that, you're gonna publish again. You can save and publish the site. And make sure to never leave invalid email addresses. Always enter a valid email address. Also, the broken custom codes are a no-go. So avoid broken custom codes and write a correct code. And always test forms after editing. And now your form should now submit correctly. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.